How to add Santander card to Apple Wallet. Get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app on your device. In the case you cannot find this app on your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to see this plus option. Click on it. With that, different available card options will appear. Navigate to the option of debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now from here, you can easily add your card. You can push in your debit or credit card any frame to scan it, or else what you can do is click on the option of enter card details manually and then type in the details of the card. First up, go ahead and type in your name, then type in your card number. After you type in your card number, click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the CVV and expiration date of the card and then go through the process. With that, your card details will be updated in Apple Wallet. So this way you can easily add Santander card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.